As an organization, a data exposure from you or your third parties can stop you in your tracks. That's why at UpGuard, we're committed to securing your sensitive data by building the fastest and most comprehensive platform for cybersecurity risk management. Whether you're looking to continuously monitor your vendors, manage third-party risk, or understand your attack surface, UpGuard gives you the tools to stay secure. UpGuard offers 3 products. BreachSight helps you monitor your organization's attack surface to protect against data breaches and build customers' trust. Vendor Risk lets you manage third-party vendor risk and improves the cybersecurity posture of your supply chain. And Cyber Research is a managed security service that constantly monitors your organization and vendors for data leaks and allows you to scale your third-party risk program with our expert analysts. Let me show you how UpGuard works. The executive summary gives you an overview of your security ratings, how they've changed over time, and more. Security ratings make it easy to score and benchmark your security posture. A score of 200 or less is an F grade and requires immediate attention. 201 to 400 is a D grade. 401 to 600 is a C. 601 to 800 is a B. And 801 to 950 gives you an A grade, which basically means you're a rockstar. You can use our executive level reporting to accurately report on the state of your own security posture, as well as your third-party vendors to your leadership team and board. In the BreachSight executive summary, you can see how your organization's rating compares to your competitors, and see your identified risks broken down into severity and category. In the Vendor Risk executive summary, you'll see the average rating of all your vendors, distribution of your vendor score, and a breakdown of your highest and lowest scoring vendors. The executive summary is a great way to get top-level information at a glance, but if you want to dive deeper, use our risk profile module. Here, you can get a deeper understanding of your security posture by seeing the details of all identified risks. Just like the executive summaries, the information you see will depend on whether you're looking at the BreachSight risk profile, where you'll see the risks affecting your organization, or the portfolio risk profile in Vendor Risk, where you'll see all risks found across your monitored vendors. In the BreachSight risk profile, you can get an in-depth understanding of your organization's security posture by monitoring your security ratings over time and drilling into any of the risks impacting your organization to see which domains and IPs trigger each risk and the severity of each. In the Vendor Risk portfolio risk profile, you'll see a compiled list of identified risks for all your monitored vendors. Clicking into a risk will show you which vendors are currently impacted by that risk and the rating of each of those vendors. You can also manage risk remediation or waive specific risks from here, as well as instantly rescan your vendor's domains for present risks, giving you all the tools you need to stay on top of your third-party risks. To find out more information about any of your vendors, head over to the Vendors module in Vendor Risk. In the Vendors module, you can find, track, and monitor the security posture of any of your vendors instantly. Let's take the example of conducting a vendor risk assessment. First, click on that vendor, and you'll see detailed information about them. From here, you then choose a number of options, including the option to conduct a risk assessment for this vendor. Conducting a vendor risk assessment is as easy as following these simple steps: gathering evidence through automated scanning and security questionnaires, reviewing the risks highlighted based on the evidence you've selected, and generating a report of your findings. Then, you can schedule a reassessment date for your vendor to make sure you're always on top of any emerging risks. Any risks detailed in an assessment will be scored and added to the vendor's profile. You can then choose to remediate or waive these risks. Use vendor risk assessment to pass your audit requirements and demonstrate your vendors are compliant with the standards you've set out for them. Getting on top of your security posture has never been easier. To get a tour of your organization's security posture and that of your vendors, book a demo with our friendly team today.